Hello my fellow furniture friends and welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Today we have this piece here and it will be a makeover of a makeover. Obviously it didn't come in this cornflower blue, I painted it years ago and it was living and standing in my bathroom for several years and now it really needs an update. So I plan to go for a quite classic look in black and white with a bit more of glam, and we'll see how it will turn out. So enjoy the video and see you soon. This is going to be a comparably easy flip. There is nothing wrong with the piece, there are no deep scratches, no deep dents. I still know what color I used. It was a water-based acrylic paint and therefore I don't see the need to strip it down or sand it down. The current finish will be a decent basis for a new layer of paint and therefore I just give it a really good clean. I want to go for a black and white look. So just to exclude any kind of bleed through in the areas where the white paint will go on, I applied one layer of this blocking primer. And another advantage is that now I already have a coat of white paint on. And that will definitely help me to achieve good coverage quicker and with less paint. And now it's already time for the paint itself. I will use black and white chalk paint. I want the borderline where black meets white to run diagonally across the piece. So first of all, I lay on a layer of paint of the black and the white and bring it up or down to that borderline. The second layer of paint gives me full coverage, and that's the layer of paint where I start the blending process. I speed up the video here a bit because I'm definitely not an expert blender and it takes me quite some time to get a good result, but nonetheless I would like to show you most of the process. So you want to have a nice wet coat of paint close to your borderline where you want to have the blend. And in my case then I start with the black paint and I pull the black paint up into the white. And then I come in with the white brush and pull the white color down. And then all depends on how you work with the neutral brush. So you want to use a dry neutral brush and then you go over the borderline where you have the blend, more or less in every direction. So you see I do horizontals and I do swirls, and the key really is that you use a super light hand. So you don't really want to push the color together using the neutral brush, you really just want to feather it together. And I quite often clean my neutral brush because especially in these very contrasty colors, black and white, you want to work with a clean and actually dry neutral brush all the time. And when you can't move the color around the way you want it anymore, use a bit of water. That will definitely make your life and your blend much more easy. Yeah, so that's how it went on and on until I was satisfied with the result. The painting job is done now and it's time for the glam part. I use silver leaves in the area where I have to blend to create this silver streak that goes across the piece. I definitely did not want to have straight lines, but I wanted the edges to be quite irregular, a little bit like the blend itself. So there's not a lot left to do. First of all, of course, remove all the excess silver leaf. I decided to paint the inside of the drawer fronts as well, and I did all 3 of them in black. The last step is to seal everything in using a clear coat. I gave the clear coat time to dry and harden overnight, and then it was time to reassemble the piece and to attach the hardware again, and then it was done. Hello again, it's the end of the video. This piece is done. It was a rather quick flip and it turned out how I imagined it, so I'm quite happy about that. And I will now show you some more detailed pictures. Please subscribe, there will be more videos coming, and check out my Instagram account. I leave the link below. There are some more information, especially some more information in German, which some requested. And yeah, until the next time, see you, bye bye and bis bald.